Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by locking down essentials so changes don't break work. Confirm your current layout in System Settings and export any custom key maps or text expanders. Once done, install the new layout package or driver and assign a temporary shortcut to toggle between layouts. Make sure to close typing apps before switching to avoid input glitches. Practice one short phrase to verify keys map correctly. If letters misalign, stop and restore the backup layout before proceeding. Next, dive into remapping and purposeful retraining. Remap modifiers like caps lock and control for ergonomic access and save the layout profile. Then start 15 to 20-minute focused practice sessions using a tutor app. Once you complete drills, increase complexity with real text and shortcuts. Make sure to alternate hands and focus on common bigrams so muscle memory builds evenly. If you notice recurring mistypes, slow down to analyze finger movement and correct the specific. Finish by solidifying the change and preparing for problems. Commit to 4 weeks of daily practice and record words per minute and accuracy so you can measure progress. Once satisfied, sync the layout to other devices or export a portable config file. Make sure to update any macros and shortcuts to match the new mapping. If you still face errors, revert to your backup layout immediately and test the hardware. Clean the keyboard, check key switches, and try another USB port before reapplying the custom layout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.